Technical difficulties today. It was a green day, day 19, up 2,500, but had some challenges with either my trade copier or the prop firm accounts. Maybe there's some issues with them that I need to look into. Ultimately had to take one small loss because things didn't pan out exactly as planned. So let's get into it. Don't expect profits. What happened today? Just calmer. Sometimes after I have 3 losing days, I think like, hey, you're in this for the long term. Stop trying to grip on to success today and just focus on the long term. And that's easier said than done. But today I was just calmer when I sat down at the charts, and I really internalized that I don't have to win today. I need to be here in 5 years thing. So that's kind of what the mental state was going in. In terms of the charts, again, New York is kind of throwing me off my game. It's really not my jam. It moves so fast. I am a little bit less patient, but I also think like the type of pattern that we trade in London session lends itself to a slower market with a lot less volatility. And you do need to make faster decisions. And I'm having trouble like reconciling whether that's impulsive or you just need to be a little bit quicker on the trigger. And I think people in my 10 trading group would agree, shout out 10 trading, that you just need to be a little bit quicker on the trigger. So right now I'm deciding to just trade off the levels and not necessarily wait for these 3 candle reversal patterns all of the time, especially near the open when it's clear, for example, today that the Trump scam market is just going to continue ripping higher. I just waited for a break above the range and a retest of the top of the range and just went long. I did do that twice, and the first one lost immediately. But again, technical issues kind of led me to taking a loss there. I just entered the trade and it closed me out before it even hit my stop. So in that respect, I did sort of re-enter a little bit hastily, although it was still off the level, and then took the continuation trade. And when I'm looking back at yesterday too, like, I was trying to wait for a reversal for like 5 hours. It was clear the market was going higher. My mental state is like, just take the continuation. I know that like coach would probably cringe at me saying that because that's one way to get wrecked. But I think I'm finding my way, my style. And like, it's evident that there's a trade there. And I probably just need to test, the various setups and make sure that I'm tracking the data on each so that I know what my true expected value is and know what my true win rates are on each setup rather than taking the aggregate win rate. So maybe that's an insight that I'll have my AI agent start to parse out over the course of the next few days. Few months. We need a big data set. Nothing can be gleaned over the course of 3 days. But green day up roughly 2,500. On the real trade, it was up 4,500, but I took that $2,000 loss due to the technical challenges. These things are gonna happen when you're using multiple softwares pulled together. You're gonna have those days where it could have been X, but it was Y because of the setup. So things to work out for sure, but ultimately, no complaints. We've cleared the slate from 3 red days in a row. We're looking forward. Tomorrow's a new day. Thanks for watching. Don't expect profits.